Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the keyboard for the Asus UX431F. Today, we will guide you through the entire process step by step. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a precision screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. The precision screwdriver will help you handle the screws, and the spudger will assist in prying open components without causing damage. Start by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source, to avoid any static damage, or the anti-static wrist strap. Now, flip your Asus UX431F over and locate the screws securing the bottom panel. There are usually around 10 screws, so be sure to keep track of them. Use the precision screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Insert the spudger in the seams and work your way around the edges to avoid breaking any clips. After successfully removing the bottom panel, you will have access to the internal components. At this stage, it's a good idea to clean the internal area using compressed air to remove dust and debris, ensuring optimal performance. Now, locate the keyboard connector. It's usually secured with a small tab that needs to be lifted gently. If you don't have the tools for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. You can also contact us for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, remove the screws holding the keyboard in place. There might be 4 to 6 screws depending on your specific model. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the keyboard from the frame. Be cautious, as there may be ribbon cables attached. If so, carefully disconnect them by pulling the tabs on either side of the connector. With the old keyboard removed, take your new compatible keyboard and connect the ribbon cable back into its slot. Ensure it's securely attached before proceeding. Next, place the keyboard into its position and reinsert the screws to secure it firmly. After the keyboard is secured, you can reattach the bottom panel. Align the panel properly and press down until you hear it click back into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is secure. Before turning your laptop back on, it's wise to double-check that everything is connected properly and that no screws are left out. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, remember we provide quotes before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Now, flip your laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. Test your new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If everything is in order, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the keyboard on your Asus UX431F. If you need further assistance or prefer professional help, feel free to reach out to us for more options. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.